Hey guys, Sam here with Lovesick Lake RV Sales. Last night we just got this 2026 Quailridge Summit 355FL that landed on the lot here. So I'm just going to take you guys for a quick walk around it. This is a one-bedroom unit. Let's have a look. Alrighty, so just starting with the exterior here. Sliding patio door on this side. Got some nice big windows at the front. Hot water there. All right, I just gotta jump up in and then I'll show you the inside. All right, so here we are inside. As mentioned, just got it last night, so everything is still packaged up here. But we've got rear living space, kitchen along the middle, and you got a dining table that sets up right here. All your chairs for the dining are wrapped in right here. This does pull out into a bed as well. Fireplace with your TV install right there. All residential appliances here next to your upright furnace. We've got a closet here, or does have washer dryer prep, so you could set this up for that as well. Coming into the bathroom, really nice big shower here. And finally into the bedroom. Lots of closet space. You got room for your TV right there. Bed is on the ground right now. There is a bed frame here. And then you do have the shower doors right there. That is a quick walk around on this unit, though. If you have any other questions about it, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.